leadership of the Ebonyi State EAs, STAs and TAs COVID-19 compliance team have visited the Ebonyi State and Enugu State boundary. This is in line with the program to continue sensitizing the people and then to motivate the joint task force. This is a bit ensure total compliance to the governor's directive to maintain international best practices in handling of COVID-19. In Ebonyi State, there is no record of COVID-19, but this team and then the governor who they are working with have ensured that there is no entrance into Ebonyi State. Now there is no total lockdown in Ebonyi State, but everybody are fully complying to the directive of the governor. And then this directive is just the best. In your set right this afternoon is the chairman of the compliance team, Honorable Mwambo. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
You are here today. Can you tell us some of the reasons why we are here?
We are here in continuity of the sensitization of Ebonyans on how to prevent this COVID-19 coronavirus. This is one of, we're here to put one of our banners. We have done it in other boundaries within the state capital in a way to educate our people, a way to prevent this deadly disease.
How are you being motivated to do your job?
We are being motivated by His Excellency, the Governor, our daddy, who knows the heart of Ebonyans, who has gone so far ahead of other governors in the country. That is why Ebonyans have not recorded any case of COVID-19. So we are happy. He has encouraged us so much, and that is why we are doing this job.
How the members of your compliance team, I hope they are complying, they are responding to your directives?
Very, very well. In all the localities, all the discos, the TAs, STAs and EAs are very, very hardworking. They have impressed me so much as their leader. I have gone around. By tomorrow we'll start going through the roads, door to doors, to see how they are complying. But so far so good, they have tried. His Excellency has given us the opportunity to showcase our talent. So I will thank him. We are glad to work with him at this particular time.
All the executive assistants, the senior technical assistants and the technical assistants to the executive governor met and decided to join His Excellency in this anti-coronavirus team to be able to help in enforcing the laws concerning and all the preventive measures concerning the spread of coronavirus in Ebonyi State. Yes, the forum of EAs, STAs and TAs to the governors are in all the 13 local government areas of Ebonyi State. Some are working with the local government chairman, some, like especially those in the urban, they go to the international market and they bring market in Abakaliki to enforce that compliance and equally visit the borders, like we are now in at Enugu Ebonyi boundary, to monitor the compliance level of this work. Also, we are proposing to reach also to the Cross River Ebonyi border and also to the Abia Ebonyi border, so that in all we'll be able to aggregate the views and know exactly the level of compliance. But we know that in the hinterlands, those of our colleagues that are working with the local government, they visit all the markets, they visit all the churches, they visit everywhere, any public place there to tell them about this deadly coronavirus.
Is there a way they used to report back to your?
Yes, there's a reporting level line there down there, because those in the hinterland will report to those in the urban, the leadership of the EAs, STAs, and so that we'll be able on a daily basis we monitor the reports and know how far what we are doing in all the local government areas in Ebonyi State, and also visit the borders, monitor the security agencies and the people there to know the level of compliance, so that in all we'll be assisting our executive governor to ensure that whatever he's fighting for, so that this deadly coronavirus will not reach Ebonyi State, that we maintain it. And that is why to date we have not recorded any incident of coronavirus in Ebonyi State.